Alvi Belisco's life.
Good day, everyone. This is the story of my life as I'm going to introduce myself in a creative way and my expectations with the subject and also to our user Jade as our professor. So it goes like this.
My name is Elvi Credo Balisco, and I live in Zambo. I am married and a mother of two beautiful child. I'm taking a Bachelor of Elementary Education in Norso. I'm on my second year level and more to go. At first I hesitate if I can really do, and I even doubt myself. But my family always kept telling me that they're always there for me. Every struggles I face, every promise I take, I stood still. Every challenge I take, every hindrance I face, I will win. Whatever life brings to me, I am strong and ready, 'cause there's always a brighter day ahead for me. It's part of my journey. The first day I met Mr. J. Melon Show, my heart beat abnormally, 'cause he looks fierce and scary, that intimidates me. But I know that is part of his strategy, so that we won't take easy. I know I can learn a new experience from him that will help boost my confidence. Every struggle I face, every promise I make, I could win. Every challenge I face, every hindrance I take, I stood still. Whatever life brings to me, I am strong and ready, 'cause there's always a brighter day ahead for me. It's part of my journey. Thank you, sir. That's my life story.